How to create footer menu in WordPress. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create footer menu in WordPress. For this, first of all, you need to bring your cursor to this sidebar and then click on appearance and then click on menus. Once you click on menus, this interface will appear on your screens. Then click on create a new menu. When you scroll down, here is your menu structure. You can type a name of your menu. Let's say I'll type footer and then click enter. From here you can select display location. As I want to create a footer menu, I'll select footer, then I'll click on save menu. I can also add pages, posts, landing page and custom links to my footer menu. Then click on save menu and your footer menu will be created. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.